In today's episode, we're decorating touches of spring in my family room. So if you're interested in seeing how it's going to turn out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's episode, as I stated, I'm putting touches of spring in my family room. So if you've already seen my fireplace, you know the color that I'm doing this year. That's the color I'm wearing for spring. So I'm going to put more touches of it here in my family room, so my family room and the fireplace will come together. So let's get busy. Now, the only thing I bought new this year to put in here were some purple lilies. Let me get them and show them to you first. Okay, I ordered some purple lilies and one bunch of white because I wasn't sure if I was going to use the white, but I'm going to do purple lilies in here. So they're going to go on my side table. Now these rabbits here were my mom's. She gave them to me a few years back. So these I'm going to use on my end tables. One thing I forgot. The next new thing I purchased was I got me some black candlestick holders. So those are going on the side. Now these candlestick holders, I got these from Temu. I wanted to see what theirs were like. So I ordered me the set of 3 from Temu to go on my side tables. I want to keep them a little simple this year. Not too much drama on the table. Now, the other thing I'm going to be doing is I'm adding some throw pillows. Okay. Now, these purple ones, I've had these for a while. And then I ordered, let me see, this one and this one. I already had them. They came from Amazon. And then I also had this one. It came from Amazon as well. So I'm putting them on pillows here in the room. And these are 18 by 18, I believe, pillows. Throw pillows. I didn't want the big ones. I have 4 big ones in here that's on the sofa already that I bought for every day, you know, that kind of stuff. But the ones that I add different colors with in the rooms, those are the 18 by 18. I know most people have the 20 or the 24, or the 24 or 26. but I didn't want them that big, to be honest. I do have 4 of those in here, and then I have, I think those sizes in my bedroom on the bed. But for the color, the pops of color that I'm going to be using in each room, I wanted to do the smaller pillows. I think that's the only things I purchased new were, I got the candlestick holders from Temu. I got the purple and white lilies came from Amazon. And then, is there anything else? Oh, I have a lavender row that I purchased from Amazon as well. Now here is the lavender throw. Let me get close so you can see it. Here's the lavender throw that I purchased. Came out. Now I'm going to add these bowls to my lanterns. Now I added some candles in the lanterns to give them, you know, that look. They were sitting up here playing. Here. Now I have this beautiful lavender calendar. I have this beautiful lavender candle. It's called Lavender Blitz. Now on the bottom shelf, I'm going to add this gold and white rabbit. This rabbit was purchased at Target about 5 years ago. Because this next item, I just happened to go to Goodwill looking to see what they had in the store. And when I went in, that's when I saw it. Okay, when I went into Goodwill, I found this hurricane. Now mind you, it is from Ross and it was $14.99. But when I went in, it was red sticker day and this says $5.99, but I only paid $2 for this hurricane. So of course, you know, your girl was in seventh heaven, and I didn't want to take the tag off until I showed you guys what I had purchased and how happy I was about finding this. Now I'm getting this sticker off. I hate when they put the stickers on the glass. It makes it so hard to get off. So I'm going to put this on the table and get the glass cleaner and clean it up. I'm going to add these wooden beads. And I thought I had a rabbit on here. Let me look and see if I got it. So, put the rabbit on. Now I'm going to take you off the stand and show you around the room. Okay, we're going to start with the end table. I like the way that looks. Now, if you haven't seen my fireplace collaboration, I do a fireplace collaboration every season. This is my spring collaboration. If you haven't seen the video, I will link it up in the iCard. So please go and take a look at this collaboration. I really like the purple this year. It turned out so pretty in my family room, and the fireplace came out gorgeous. So let me know what you think of my purple and lavender family room. I would love to read your comments. I think it came out really pretty. The colors are really blending. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.